Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today's we're gonna discuss that how can you install the PHP8 version by using the Laragon. So the beauty of the Laragon, you can install the multiple PHP version by using the Laragon. You know very well about it. Let's suppose if you have installed the XAMPP version or the WAMP version, you definitely have a particular or a specific PHP version. If you are working on multiple frameworks, then definitely you have the multiple projects and definitely which supports the multiple PHP version. A particular Laravel 9 version which supports the PHP 8 version, or if you're working on Laravel 10 which supports the PHP 8.1 or greater than PHP 8.1 version. So how exactly you can install the PHP 8 versions by using the Laravel? So let's get started. Okay, so now here as you can see, this is the official website of the windows.php.net. Download. So PHP hypertext preprocessed language. You know very well. You can download this 8.2 version here, 8.1 version where I'm currently using 8.1. I'm gonna use the 8.0 version. You have few choices. You can download the source code, download the test code, or you can download the 64 zip code. I'm going to download the 64 zip code. So it's a 25.53 MB setup, and now it takes few seconds to download the files. Once you download the files, you have to keep these files available in your PHP directory. Okay, you have downloaded the version. So open this one. So as you can see, this is the version. Cut this version. And how can you do that? So Laragon is working now. So how can you check that either the Laragon is working or not? So I'm saying localhost, and I'm saying uh, this applications. So I'm using this application. I'm working on this application. This is the Laravel applications. It's executing the PHP script. So now if I open, as you can see, this is the PHP info. If I open this directly, I'm going to show you that the PHP version we are using new. Okay, fine. I'm going to use this here. Fine. No worry about it. So it's a 8.1.10 version currently I'm using. So how can you switch the version? Paste the PHP version which we have just copied or which we have downloaded from here. So this is the PHP 8 version. Copy. Go to the Laragon. So I have installed the Laragon in my C drive. Laragon, and go to the bin and go to the PHP. Paste the PHP here. So PHP. Now extract the file. Extract the files here. So you have a file. As you can see, you have just extracted the file. Now stop your Laragon setup. Go to the PHP and select the PHP version. As you can see, this is the PHP version we have just extracted. Click on this one. Now once again, you have 8.0.1 version. Click on the start all services to start your PHP. Fine. So once again, go to your page, refresh the page. You have PHP 8.0.0 version. Make sure if you want to use the 8.2 version, you can also download the 8.2 version zip file and keep this folder in your directory in the PHP here, and that's it. And change the PHP version from your Laragon PHP here. Okay guys, so in this way you can install the PHP 8 version by using the Laragon. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks. And thank you for watching.